You paste AI code into your project, run it, and nothing works. Here is why. When your prompt lacks context, the AI fills in the blanks with guesses. It assumes your data structures, your app architecture, and your team's patterns, all of which might be wrong. Maybe you have a custom error handler or a specific state management approach. The AI has no idea, so it invents something plausible sounding that simply does not fit your project. The result is code using the wrong libraries or naming conventions. If your project uses Axios but you gave no context, the AI generates fetch API code. If your team writes in snakecase, the AI outputs camel case everywhere. These mismatches break your imports, violate your style guide, and force a rewrite of everything it generated. You also end up with generic, one-size-fits-all code that needs heavy modification, and the AI might target the wrong framework or version entirely. Ask for a React component with no context, and you might get class-based components from an older React version instead of modern function components with hooks. Ask for a query and get raw SQL when your project uses an ORM. More context always means less rework. Vague prompts produce vague code. Give the AI your stack, patterns, and constraints up front. That is how you get output you can actually use. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.